there, here we are with our patient Eduardo. Eduardo just stopped by the office today, 8 months after we did a MaxHarvest hair transplant procedure on him. He came in for a quick follow-up. How was the procedure for you?
Procedure was awesome, no pain whatsoever. Everything was great. They make me feel very comfortable. They're knowledgeable. They answer all the questions that I have. And if you are thinking about doing it, I think you should do it because the results are amazing and I don't have to prove anything to you. You just look to the before and after pictures and they will speak for itself.
I got nothing else to say.
Come and do it. Absolutely. I'm much happier now than before. You know, having hair, it is a change in a man's life. So come, you won't regret it. I promise you. Come.
That's awesome. So what we did is we did MaxHarvest. We completely reframed his whole frontal hairline. We put these nice, soft, natural hairline grafts all the way around. Looks nice and natural on him. We completely reframed it so it looks super soft and natural from the profile. He told me he just got his hair cut and this is his suture line hidden underneath here. You can't even see that. Look at this. Literally got a cut yesterday, right? With like a, you can barely even see the suture line. It looks absolutely perfect, undetectable the entire way around. Can't even see. I mean, you gotta, I mean, if you don't know what you're looking for, I mean, I know what I'm looking for and I can barely see it. This is it. This little thing right here is the suture line. I mean, he could shave his head and you wouldn't be able to see that. And he happened to be at his hairdresser's
yesterday, and she asked me, I noticed that your hair in the front is a little thicker. Do you had a hair transplant? I said, yes. I said, well, it was robotic. I said, no. I said, how come? Because I can't find the line. She could not find the line. And there's a stylist that cuts hair all day long, every day. That's how good this doctor is, guys. Come.
That's awesome.
You won't regret it, I promise you.
That's awesome.
And this is voluntarily. I'm not getting paid for this, okay?
Awesome, man. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Doc.
I really appreciate you doing the video.
Absolutely.
More to come, man. More to come.
Absolutely. That's it. All right, Josh.
Thank you.